got it, Manny?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
This is the best ball.
Okay, y'all, while we're waiting on the rolls to finish for supper. Oh, did I set a timer? Oh yeah, it's got a timer. We're gonna taste this apple cobbler that we got at the old mill. It says it's ready to eat, so you don't have to do anything. Oh.
We're gonna make this tonight, everybody.
You can all you have to do is warm it up, or you can just eat it straight out of the jar, whatever you wanna do. We're about to taste it straight out of the jar.
We're not gonna eat it out of the jar, everyone.
No, we're just gonna give it a taste.
We're gonna do a different deal than that.
You wanna pour it out?
Is this a, yeah, we need to just pour it into something,
Okay.
I think. This would be way, way deep country to eat it straight out of the jar, which I've done before.
We should have gotten not everybody didn't like apple cobbler, so we also still have a strawberry fluff cake. Nobody's even.
We got a strawberry fluff cake. We still got some eclair cake. We still got all kinds of desserts. So, yeah, this is the perfect little size for this right here.
Yeah, try to make it look like we made it in there.
Oh, I will, baby. Of course, we won't lie and say we did.
Them strips are gonna be the. Oh, you're tearing up the strip. You're
okay.
tearing up the strips.
Look at that homemade apple pie.
Cobbler. We're gonna save this jar too.
That smells really good.
We won't
right
throw
there,
this
huh?
jar away. I'm not eating it out of the jar over here. He's over here taste testing that squash too.
That squash is good on that Blackstone, everybody. Mm-hmm. This is a simple recipe tonight. Very straight to the point, but delicious.
Mm-hmm. Green beans, sauteed squash.
Yep. Some kind of weird chicken.
It ain't weird, y'all. He thinks it's weird that I marinated the chicken in steak sauce. It's not weird. Have you never dipped a piece of chicken in steak sauce?
Yeah, I have. That's actually some really good sauce. It actually tastes like something you could put on chicken.
Mm-hmm. It said, great, put it on, I forgot what it said. It said something about everything. Use it on everything.
Did it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we did.
It's gonna be good. And we have rolls left over and potato salad from yesterday.
Hey, like it. Now we just took it to the next level.
Oh wait, let's flip your apple though. It's upside down.
Oh,
there we go. Level 3.
That's all you gotta do, everybody. I'm telling you, hang right here and I'll teach you how to get ready for these upcoming holidays. Go to the old mill, buy 5 jars, pour it in the thing.
Oh, I forgot to rub butter on those rolls.
I'm gonna tell you something. This is really juicy right here and good.
Is it good?
It's really good, yeah. Really
Now
good.
what? Now what about that steak?
It's juicy.
Sauce chicken. Okay, y'all, kitchen's clean. Everybody's getting ready for bed. We had 2 pieces of chicken left, so I'm gonna wrap this up real quick. Manny is very proud tonight because he got his pajamas and everything on all by himself.
Yesterday too.
You did it yesterday too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, did they just get a grilled cheese? We're watching Fridays Forever, making us want to go to the mountains again.
Yeah, I want to live there.
You want to live there? I was gonna go sit on the porch and work on my meal plan. I can't. Mosquitoes are extra active today. Extra. The tiki torches help. They really help. But they're working overtime right now, so I'm not gonna take any chances out there. We have 3 of those tiki torches, but only 2 of them have the little things. I don't know what happened to the other one. We were gonna light all 3 yesterday, but that one over there is missing there. It's missing the little thing that you put the oil in. But it's this citronella scented torch fuel, and it really seems to work to keep mosquitoes away. Now normally we do drink orders first, but I forgot. Would you like coffee, water, unsweet tea, orange juice? This young man already fixed his. He got mad because I forgot to take his drink order. I'll bring you your own refill. Okay, y'all, it's a little bit after 8 o'clock now. We're coming out here to the garden. I got the kitchen cleaned up from breakfast. Got a Walmart delivery order put in. It's gonna be here in just a little bit. I forgot my basket. I was coming out here to get this zucchini, and I'm pretty sure I have some peppers ready. Speaking of peppers, the mystery pepper plant has been solved. They're Hungarian hot wax peppers. So these were the mystery pepper plants. We also had some there, but we lost those. We got them at the farmer's market, and they weren't labeled, so we weren't for sure what they were, but now we know. They are indeed Hungarian hot wax peppers because they look exactly like the ones that we know are Hungarian hot wax peppers over there, but look at the difference. These are the ones in the grow bags. Okay, here's my hand. There are the pepper plants way up there, and then here's the one in the ground, and here's my hand. I mean, it's, yeah. The ones in the grow bag are like 3 times the size. So grow bags are definitely doing better for us in the pepper department. Titus said he might take this habanero one out and put it in the grow bag, you know, where we lost the other mystery peppers, because it's producing lots of habanero peppers. It's just not getting bigger, so he might move it over into the grow bag. The yellow bell pepper seems to be getting bigger. It's already much bigger than the other pepper ones here, see? So we're just gonna leave it here. We have a bell pepper coming there and a lot more about to start, so we're just gonna leave this one. But yeah, I think we're gonna move the habanero one to a grow bag, see if that'll help it do a little better. Everything else over there is still doing good. Zucchini, cantaloupe, okra, still no beans yet. Y'all, oh wait, I do see a bean. I'm not exactly sure what kind of beans he got here, but we do have beans happening. Lots of them I see. Okay, we do have some bean action over here. Nothing ready yet, of course, but lots of beans coming. So these green beans and pumpkins he planted from seeds, and I didn't look at the pack, so I'm not sure exactly what kind of, you know, green beans or pumpkins he planted because I wasn't paying attention. I really did not think anything was gonna happen because we always have such a hard time planting in the ground. I don't know why. We're definitely gonna have a lot of whatever kind of beans these are. They have purple flowers, so y'all let me know if you know what kind these are. And yeah, Titus's pumpkin that he wanted to go. He wanted this pumpkin plant to go this way. See, he set up these little wires right here, hoping it would go this way and go through these 2 tomato plants, and he left all that room for the pumpkins to grow, but it wants to go this way instead, and it's wrapping onto the tomato cages. Look, this one actually grabbed onto a tomato bloom. Do y'all see that? What? This pumpkin thing is crazy. It's trying to take over, and it wrapped itself around the cage here. I don't know if it's like gonna hinder my tomato plants though. Y'all let me know. This is our first time pumpkining. We did grow tomatoes last year in grow bags though, not in the ground. So this pumpkin one too that I thought we were gonna lose, it's getting bigger, so thinking it's gonna make it, and it's going this way. It looks like it's gonna wanna go this way. Tomatoes over here, looking good. But yeah, I know we've got 1 zucchini ready over here and some of the peppers in the grow bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those. I meant to grab my little basket for our little mini harvest. Here's the zucchini. Oh, this one's heavy. Okay, got it. I think this is the only zucchini ready. Let me check. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 or 6 more, but they're not ready yet. Yeah, we've got some peppers here. This one's almost there. We'll let it keep going. There we go, another tiny little harvest, but still very exciting.